Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons the plumbing trade. And for today's plumbing adventure, we're going to change a pilot assembly on a Bradford water heater. To make my job easier in the office, I'm using House Call Pro. It is a service app for small businesses like myself. It's a great app, folks. It's paperless. For example, I'm headed to a job right now. The customer is getting a text that I'm on my way. When I get to the job, the customer will get a text that I'm on site and the job is being completed. When the job is complete, the customer gets a text that we are completed, and of course, the greatest part of all, the most important part, payment on spot. Check it out, folks, in the link below. housecallpro.com/Chuck Barron and set up your free demo. If you use that demo, the first month will be $19. It is a game changer, folks. Check it out. We'll see you at the job. We cleaned this heater yesterday, had it working. The pilot had a hard time staying lit. I sanded the thermocouple, it stayed lit, but about midnight it went off. He wants to hold off on a new heater. This joker's actually 20 years old, and so I'm going to change the pilot assembly on it. Buy him some time, but we all know this should be replaced. Any heater that gets 20 years is golden. Here we go. There we go. Ouch.
her a shot. Let's bleed her out. She's on. Let's hold the pilot for a minute. Let's see if it stays on. Boom. She's on. Put it to warm. There it is. Let's get. Nice and blue. Now I'm going to spray this with bubbles, make sure there's no leaky.
Hey, we got that on. It's my second trip there. A little disappointing in how it transpired, but we got it done. He's hoping to get some time out of it. I'll be honest with you, we called, we checked on the warranty. We figured out that the heater was 19 years old. Still plugging along, but we all know it's time. Sometimes you can't fix them. We did it today. We got it done. I didn't want to do it, had to do it. Epic surf session today. Epic. That's why I'm totally drained right now. Hurricane Dorian did us right. But we had to get the hot water on for the folks. With that, have a great weekend, everybody.